Man, some weird shit been going on around here lately. The fuck? We've been experiencing a lot of paranormal stuff. Some weird shit been happening. We've been forced to shack downstairs from the one bedroom because upstairs is wild, crazy at nighttime. I'm gonna let you guys get a glimpse, but it's a cool, calm looking room. But at nighttime, it's a whole different story. It gets into us. Things start happening. A couple of times I was caught standing in the middle of the hallway, staircasing right here. 4 o'clock in the morning in the middle, facing downward. I don't remember that, but well. See? Just a normal looking nice room. But at nighttime, it's a whole different ballpark. Not like crazy stuff happening, like stuff flying around, but like stuff as I start changing. That's what she said. I don't know. Why are you scared to go upstairs? Scared the demon gonna get you? Are you afraid of the boogeyman? Are you afraid of the boogeyman?
I'm afraid of you.
What the fuck ever? You're afraid of me. It's daytime. You said nighttime when things happen. It's daytime.
Yeah, lamps start falling over and all kinds of weird shit.
You said I was in the middle of the stairs last night, 4 o'clock in the freaking morning. Anyway, but we're gonna keep y'all posted when nighttime comes. We'll see how that goes.